Hello students, let's start our grammar class with the topic the tense. In grammar, tense is a category that expresses time preference with reference to the moment of speaking. The main tenses include the past, present and future. Present tense usually expresses actions in the present time. Past tense usually expresses actions in the past time. Future tense expresses actions in the future time. There are 4 divisions in each of these tenses. Present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense is divided into simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Future tense also has 4 divisions. They are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Let's learn them in detail. Simple present tense. Its structure is subject plus V1 form of the verb. You know what is V1 form? The present form of the verb. The actions that happen at the present time we can express through simple present tense. Besides, universal truths or daily activities or routines are expressed in simple present tense. In simple present tense, a verb or action word that has 2 forms. One is singular form, another one is plural form. If you add s or es to the verb, that one is singular form. The verb in the simple present tense without s or es is called plural form of the verb. Let's see the first example. Ramu writes a poem. Ramu is a singular subject, that's why we have to use singular verb writes. Come to the second example. Ramu and Tom write a poem. Here we can see the plural subject. That's why we use the plural verb write. Write is plural form, writes singular form. See the third example. I write a poem. Here the subject is singular, still we use plural verb. Do you know why? Along with I, we have to use plural verb. Understood? Next example, you write a poem. You may be singular or plural. Along with you, we are supposed to use plural verb only. We write a poem. Here the subject is plural. That's why plural verb write is used. They write a poem. Here also the subject is plural. That's why plural verb write is used. The pupil writes a poem. Here we can see a singular subject. That's why the singular verb writes is used here. The last example, the pupils write a poem. Here the subject is plural. That's why the plural verb write is used. Students, all these actions in the examples happen in the present time. Immediately after the subject, you can see the present form of the verb. Present form of the verb is V1 form of the verb. If you see s or es along with the V1 form, that one is singular form of the verb. The other one is plural form of the verb. The universal truths like man is mortal, the sun rises in the east, The sun sets in the west, etc. are said in simple present tense. Our routines or regular activities like I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, Anshu practices dance regularly, etc. are mentioned in simple present tense.